This 2024 Brinkley Model Z 3610 looks flawless on the lot, but federal files tells a different story, Rhonda.
And to add a little confusion right out the gate, the recall shows 2023 to 2024, but Brinkley RV did not manufacture a 2023 Model Z 3610. The company was founded in 2022, and while they initially launched the Model Z 3100, the 3610 floor plan did not officially debut until the 2024 model year.
So if you see any NHTSA recall that says 2023 to 2024, they actually have it wrong.
Any dealer listing you might see claiming to have a 2023 is a mislabeled unit. But for these 2024s, the government just exposed an active fire hazard hidden in the front compartment of this RV. And by the end of this video, you're going to see the exact grade it earned on our RV Watchdog Report Card.
And according to the NHTSA Safety Recall 24V-476, the factory bypassed the safety breakers on the 12-volt circuit system.
That sounds like a big oops.
It is a big oops. If something shorts out, the wire just melts.
If you own a 2024 Brinkley Model Z 3610, you might be toying an active fire risk today. I'm Rhonda.
And I'm John, and we track every major RV recall so your family stays safe. Today, we are auditing this exact floor plan.
In this video, we will show you exactly how the factory miswired this rig. We will reveal its official Watchdog safety grade, and we will give you the exact steps to get it fixed for free. First, a quick fairness note. Every RV we grade is treated as a standalone case study. We scored only on verified government and manufacturer data.
Datter?
Datter.
Datter.
We scored...
Oh, wait. Do I look pretty?
Fluffing yourself?
I'm fluffing.
We scored only on verified government and manufacturer's data for the specific year, make, and model.
A bad grade on one floor plan doesn't mean the whole brand is bad, which we have said many of times in videos. I can't say it enough because I want people to really understand that.
Yes.
That we're grading this one RV and this VIN.
Right.
Okay?
It's VIN specific.
This watchdog grade is our investigative opinion based on public records, not a legal or engineering determination.
Let's start with the heavy stuff. The federal safety recalls. The manufacturer's notice states that the wiring was connected to the non-protected side of the mini breakers.
That means zero overcurrent protection. Let's put this into plain English. If you force power through a line without a breaker and a short happens, the breaker cannot trip. The wire gets hotter and hotter.
Here's how the NHTSA describes it. An increased risk of a thermal event.
Very bad.
That is government wording for an RV fire.
Because this is a severe fire risk, we punish this hard in our grading system. If we find even one fire risk safety recall, we cap the severity score.
Right.
So let's go right into category 1. RV recalls. The unrepaired score for this unit is capped at 70 out of 100. But we still need to see what the factory tried to fix in their bulletins.
Bulletins mean your RV will automatically fail. They're proof of what the factory knew and how they will fix it.
Brinkley issued a service campaign REC-2402, and this is where things get just a little crazy. They split the 3610 floor plan into two distinct groups based on when it was built.
If the last digits of your VIN fall between 0001 and 1440, you need a full 5-hour dealer overhaul to fix it. Why is this? because the factory also ran an undersized power wire to your 12-volt fridge.
Right. And an undersized wire pulling massive fridge power acts like a toaster element. It gets red hot. Now, moving on to VINs ending between 1441 and 3058. Your fridge wire is fine, but you still need the 1-hour breaker fix.
Because they addressed this through an official structured bulletin, Category 2 scores a 90 out of 100 for this issue. That still leaves one more question. Did any of this end up in court?
The last bucket category is 3, which is lawsuits and accountability. We don't grade how good or bad a company is based on this category. This just measures how far the defect escalated legally.
Good news here. We found 0 safety-critical lawsuits tied to this specific 12-volt defect. No lawsuits doesn't mean no problems, but it means a perfect 100 out of 100 for Category 3.
So how bad does this make the overall grade? When we combine 70 for the open fire risk, a 90 for the bulletin, and a 100 for legal, what does that mean, Rhonda?
That means the unrepaired 2024 Brinkley Model Z 3610 earns a Watchdog grade of C. But keep this in mind that a current grade isn't permanent. Once a unit's recall has been fixed, the grade changes to reflect that. The original grade only applies to units that have never received the fix.
So once an authorized dealer installs the Brinkley kit K110811 or the K110813, that fire risk drops from the grade.
Right.
The grade shoots up to an A for this unit.
So here's your exact action plan to get that recall fixed. Without your exact 17-digit VIN, nobody can honestly say whether your RV is in or out of the recall batch.
So what do you need to do is outside the rig. Look at your federal data tag on the front left frame. Copy down all 17 characters.
If nothing shows up under your VIN in the NHTSA database, that means no open safety recalls today for your unit. It does not guarantee your trailer never had a campaign. It just means anything tied to your VIN today is closed.
If you're looking at purchasing this unit and the VIN shows an open safety recall, pause the deal until that repair is completed and documented. Federal law strictly prohibits dealers from delivering any new unit covered by this safety action until the repair is done.
Any talk of suspension, roof, or fit and finish issues reported by owners within forums are not part of the government safety score. All grades are based on the data available on the day we record it.
Your RV should never be the reason for your family in danger.
Check your VIN in the link below. Then comment cleared or affected so we know how widespread this problem is. Then click right here to watch our RV Report Cards playlist for real safety ratings. Stay safe out there.
Bye now.